In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to copy and paste text in Roblox chat on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can paste mostly everything in the Roblox chat, excluding images. However, you can copy and paste large amounts of texts and even emojis if you want to. All you have to do on PC is first open up Roblox and join any game where you want to paste and chat. It doesn't have to be a private server, just join one. After you properly join the server, find the text that you want to send in the Roblox chat and select it by holding down on the text. Now, you can simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard, and after that, it's going to copy the text you highlighted. Now go back into Roblox and open up chat. Click to type a message, and after you select the text blocks, by clicking once, you can simply do Ctrl+V and all the text will appear. You can now edit it if you want, or just press enter to send it. Like I mentioned, you can even do this with emojis. So if you look for emoji on Google and you find a website like this one where you can copy any emoji by pressing Ctrl+C, you can even paste them in Roblox chat by pressing Ctrl+V after. I hope I was able to help you on how to copy and paste on Roblox chat on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.